Hello Kutties. So are you excited? Today we are going to complete the Sri Guru Tarayashramam composition with the Madhyamagala Sahityam that is pending. So it goes like this. Bhogiraja Vinuta Pada Bhudeva Kriya Moda. First line again. Bhogiraja Vinuta Pada Bhudeva Kriya Moda. Second line. योगराज योग भेद युक्त मनोलय विनोद योगराज योग भेद युक्त मनोलय विनोद. Now sing both the lines together. Come to Sri Guru Tarayashramam again and then we can repeat back the Madhyamala Sahityam. Bhogiraja Vinuta Pada Bhudeva Kriya Moda Yogiraja Yoga Bheda Yukta Mano Laga Vinoda Shri Guru Guha Tarayashramam. Bhogiraja Vinuta Pada Bhudeva Kriya Moda Yogiraja Yoga Bheda Yukta Mano Laga Vinoda Shri Guru Guha Tarayashramam. Surapati Shripati Ratipati Vakpati Shitipati Pashupati Shevita Shri Guru Guha Tarayashramam. Sharavana Bhava Shri Sharavana Bhava Shri Sharavana Bhava